In this task, a sheet will be bent in 3 places and an imprint will be extruded through the solid. This drawing is started from an isometric viewpoint. Somewhere in the editor, create a rectangle to the following size. This profile will now be extruded downwards to a depth of -5. From the Modify menu, select the Bend Sheet tool, then select the option to select the planar face. Select the top planar face of the object, then select the edge. Tab to the data fields and input the following information. View the model from a different viewpoint to check the accuracy of the bend, then select Finish. Repeat this process, selecting the indicated facet, then selecting the edge. Tab to the data fields and input the following information. Repeat this, again selecting the indicated facet and the edge. Tab to the data fields, input the following information, then select Finish. To create the imprint profile, seat the workplane on the indicated facet. Draw a double point circle on this facet using the midpoints of the edges. Turn the view to the front view, then reshape the elliptical shape using the selector shell handles. Use the imprint tool to extrude the profile through the solid, subtracting material during the imprint. As can be observed, the volume of the imprint has been subtracted from the primary solid. Blend the edges of the solid to the following radii. The modelling features of the solid can be modified in the Selection Info palette.